Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Redmi Pad. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings, enter lock screen, go to passwords and security, and now enter screen lock. Confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 3 types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with the pin. Now set up pin containing 4 to 16 digits. Next, let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go to face unlock. And thanks to this function we can unlock our tablet using our face pattern. Now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.